Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup QuickBooks backup to external SSDs safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup QuickBooks to an external SSD safely, start by connecting your external SSD to your computer. Make sure the SSD is properly recognized by your operating system. Launch your QuickBooks application. Open the company file you wish to backup. In the top menu, click on the File option. Select Backup Company from the drop-down menu. Then choose Create Local Backup. In the Backup Options window, select Local Backup. Click on the Options button. In the Backup Options window, select the external SSD as your backup location. Ensure the Remember this location box is checked for future backups. Choose the backup type you prefer, either complete or incremental. Consider using the Encrypt Backup feature for added security. Click OK to return to the Backup Options window. Once you're set up, click Next to proceed. A summary of your backup settings will appear. Review the settings to ensure everything is correct. Click on Save Backup to begin the backup process. Wait for the backup process to complete. This may take some time depending on your file size. Once complete, verify that the backup file is saved on your external SSD. Safely eject the external SSD from your computer after the backup is finished. This ensures the backup is stored securely and is ready for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.